So today we're going to be taking a look at the best Aramid cases for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Now, all of these cases I have actually done a review for. All of that will be down in the description below, as well as any purchase links and discount codes that I may have for these cases. Now, this video is not sponsored by anybody. Nobody knows I'm making this video. These are just my favorite Aramid cases. There's a million of them out there on the market. These are my favorites, and they're in no particular order. What we're going to do is we're going to start out with the minimal ones and then move over to the full coverage ones. But if you have an order or if you have a best Aramid case list, make sure you let me know in the comments below. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, first up, we have the Aulumu Aramid, and this is a fairly newer case that's come out from Aulumu, but I absolutely love it. It's been around for a little while now, but anyways, you're getting this very nice textured Aramid fiber here. All these little designs from Aulumu, as well as some ventilation. You get some vent holes right there, as well as right here, and an indicator for if your CPU gets hot, this will turn white. You do get a metal camera plateau plate here, and this is a very unique and interesting design, which really is kind of one of the things that gravitated me towards it. Now, flipping it to its side, as you guys can see, it is an open sides type of case, which we will put our iPhone in there, and on the inside, you're getting MagSafe alignment magnet, and this nice textured Aramid fiber here and on the back. Love to see that. So bringing over the orange, go ahead and put this thing in. First of all, that click on this case, this has an amazing fit. All these cases on here are going to have a great fit, except for one that has a little slight issue, but we will talk about that. Doesn't negate the fact of how good of a case it is anyways, but either way, this has an excellent fit on this case. It fits real well. It looks really nice and clean. Let me give this a little bit of a wipe down here to make sure that everything is nice and clean here, and look at that. I love the way that looks. Now, flipping it to its side, you're getting no buttons, no camera control button because this is the actual phone, but this gives you a real-life naked feel. If you're someone who wants a little more grip on the back, a little more grip around that area, some protection for your camera plateau in the back, this is the one, I think, for you because it is super comfortable, extremely light, extremely minimal, not a pinky destroyer at all, and it's got great MagSafe, which let's bring this over here, pick that up, and you are good to go. Go ahead and put this on your nightstand, your car mount charger, all that stuff, your accessories. I can't even get it off. There we go. Finally got it off before I break that Anchor 623. This thing has great MagSafe. Very, very good case. Super comfortable. The top of it is nice and closed in. The bottom is closed in, so you get all that. Good USB-C port. Everything about this case is very, very nice. And this is one of those minimal cases I gravitate to a lot when I want something nice and thin. I know I'm just hanging around the house or something, want that naked sides feel. This is often the one that I will come to. So yes, the Aulumu Aramid is absolutely one of the best Aramid cases for the 17 Pro Max. Now, this next case might get me some heat for this video because this is one of those cases where you either love it or you don't, but it's missing one crucial feature. However, there is a workaround, and we're going to talk about the Latercase. I know before you guys get started, just hear me out. I know there's a million different companies that make Aramid cases that have MagSafe built in. I get it. I wasn't a fan of Latercase at first, and like I said, not sponsored or anything like that, but when you use this case, and that is one of those things you have to really try it to really understand, the material on this case is actually even thinner than the Aulumu Aramid. That's number one. Number two, I know it doesn't have MagSafe built in, but if you get these rings, and believe me, it is worth it to get these rings, you get some insane MagSafe strength. But let's go ahead and bring over the iPhone, and I just want you guys to listen to how well this case clicks on there. That has a very good fit. And just listen to these corners. Wow. There you go. I mean, these things, the fit on this case is super, super precise. Cutouts for your lenses, your flash, your LiDAR scanner, all that are really, really good. The MagSafe ring, I know it's a little bit of an eyesore here, but a lot of clear cases, for example, have that, but you'll see how good that MagSafe is. But on here, of course, you're getting all of your buttons exposed. They are the phone. Your top is exposed here. The bottom is exposed. I do wish it was a little more full coverage right there, but that is what it is because this case fits incredibly. It's super, super lightweight. You literally do not feel the weight of this case when it's on here. It's extremely thin and it fits and feels really well. And honestly, this is one of the best fitting minimal cases that I own. This case fits incredibly well. And that's one thing, as soon as I put it on my phone, I knew I fell in love with the fit of it. Then I put the MagSafe rings on, and let me just show you guys what I'm talking about here. You pick this up, and this has some very, very good MagSafe strength. So you'll be good with all of your devices. Like I said previously, all your accessories will be just fine. Even your wallets, your MagSafe wallets, because of the external magnet, will stick on there even better. Now, of course, I do wish Latercase would make a version. Please, Latercase, if you guys are listening, make a version that has it built in. But either way, I had to put the Latercase on this list because of how well it fits and how good it feels. It would not be able to be off of this list. So Latercase is definitely on the best Aramid case list. All right, so next let's move on to the full coverage cases. These are going to be cases with actual buttons and all of that. And this is going to be, besides a fingerprint magnet, this is going to be the Spigen Enzo Aramid. So very nice textured back here. You get a little metal blacked out Spigen logo. They do come with a silver or a black version, I believe, if that's still the case. Definitely go for the black because you get the black camera plateau and you get the black accessories right here with this little logo, but you do get a metal camera plateau here, which I do like. You are getting TPU sides here, so you are getting some good grip when it comes to this case. Standalone metal clicky buttons, which, by the way, I think this is Spigen's best case. Not only their Aramid case, but their best case in general. The buttons are great, the fit is great. Lately, Spigen's having some issues with fit, with quality control. This one is their best case by far, and I really actually highly recommend it. But either way, that is going to be that. You're getting those nice metal clicky buttons. Not going to test that here. You can watch that in the full review. Lanyard loop, very nice microfiber on the inside here. You do get MagSafe and alignment magnet with this case, and you're getting just TPU going all the way around the insides. Of course, all the cases on here that do have a camera control button are going to have a great camera control button, so no need to test that. But let's go ahead and put this on here. Click that. I mean, fantastic fit. Corners, 1, 2, 3, 4. All the corners fit fantastically. Good camera protection. You get some screen protection right there. All around a very good case. Nice and textured. No pinky destruction whatsoever. It feels good, and it's a really good price on this case as well. Not extremely expensive for the good quality of a case that you're getting. And of course, you're going to get some protection on this one. But all around, the buttons are going to be good. The fit is good. Everything about this case checks a lot of the boxes, guys. Now, testing out the MagSafe on the Spigen Enzo Aramid, we'll go ahead and bring this up. And look at that. You're getting some fantastic MagSafe strength when it comes to this case. All of your accessories, all of your devices will work very, very well. So absolutely great MagSafe on the Spigen Enzo Aramid. And that's absolutely why the Spigen Enzo Aramid had to be on the best Aramid case list. Now, next up, we do have the Pitaka Cairn case. This is going to be their full coverage case that is going to give you really sleek protection on this device. So basically, you're going to have a nice, slim, sleek case while still getting some drop protection and protection from scratches, nicks, dings, all that. You are getting this nice back here. It's smooth, but it's not textured. That is one thing that we do have to note. It is smooth, no texture. Definitely a fingerprint magnet, as are all these cases because they are Aramid. You get a nice camera plateau here with metal lining on the inside. Then here you get this nice soft touch material right there, a little spot for a lanyard loop, and of course full coverage with TPU on the insides of the case while you still get that nice Aramid fiber here on the outside. Very minimal logo. Now, Pitaka also makes their Edge case, so it's like the Latercase, it's like the Aramid, Aulumu Aramid case, where it's a slim case, not full coverage, your buttons are exposed. But unfortunately, not all of the fits on those cases are consistent, so I cannot include that in this list because of that specific reason. These all have to have a very good fit for the most part, and unfortunately, I've had experiences, as have others, with Pitaka Edge cases not fitting well. So that's why it's not on this list, but the Cairn case fits extremely well. Let's go ahead and put our iPhone in here. Listen for that click. Very solid click on there. All your corners are going to be very, very nice. Very good fit all the way around. Great camera control button. While you still get a nice and sleek profile on the case, which I really love, you get a little bit of camera plateau protection. Wish it had a little more of a screen lip. That's one of the really only downsides here. But otherwise, it fits great. It feels great. Not a pinky destroyer. And it's going to have good MagSafe. So let's bring over our MagSafe here. Attach that. And for the most part, it's pretty good. Especially compared to some other cases. you know, you'll be fine. It's not the best MagSafe on this list by far, but it's not the worst MagSafe compared to all the other cases out there by far as well. So you'll be just fine with all your accessories, just like I said with all these other cases. But yeah, guys, the Pitaka carrying case, it feels nice. It's super smooth. I do wish it had more texture here on the back and on the sides, but it's not slippery, so it's still comfortable to hold, use as an everyday case. It's nice and slim, minimal. You can take it somewhere nice if you want to, while still getting some protection for your phone, so that's really nice. All around, very, very good case. Now, last but not least, we have the Phone Rebel Gen 7, and honestly, this might be my favorite case on this entire list. If you guys saw my top 10 case list video, you know where this case ranked, and I'm not gonna say much more about that. Feel free to watch that. I'll leave that at the top here and at the end of this video, but this case ranked very, very highly, and that's for great reason, man. Great texture on the back. Do wish this Phone Rebel didn't, you know, this logo wasn't here or it wasn't removable, but it is, so you get that. You can customize it. As you guys see, I have orange buttons here. Metal camera plateau, which you can also buy a full coverage one if you want. Amazing grip on the sides, great camera control button, extra added protection on the inside while still keeping it nice, slim, and more minimal than a lot of other kind of protective and super bulky cases out there. But just taking a look, man, this is what you're looking like. I've taken this to a nice dinner, especially with the blacked out Rebel logo. It looks super clean, very minimal, but you're still getting insane protection. If you guys have seen Everything Apple Pro's drop tests, you know how well these cases are, but you're getting the best of everything. You're getting great screen lip here with the claws, good camera protection, very nice clicky buttons, great MagSafe. The only issue, and like I said in the beginning of this video, only issue I had with this case, the fit of it is great everywhere except the top, which really does kind of bother me, but I have gotten past that, and you guys saw, like I said, that top 10 where this case ranked very, very highly. This, I would love to see fixed, but it's not the end of the world, and the case still fits really, really well everywhere else besides that. But bringing over the MagSafe strength, man, if you guys know anything about Phone Rebel, you know they have some of the best MagSafe in the game, and this case is no different. So this case really does check a lot of those boxes. It is almost the perfect case. If it wasn't for that top piece right here, it would have been really good because you're getting the best of everything when it comes to this case. Extremely comfortable, good grip, nice textured back, great grip on the sides. Everything about this case is A1 except for this one little thing right here. But all around, love, love, love the Gen 7, and absolutely, if anything, this had to be on the best Aramid case list. So that's been it, guys. Let me know what you think about the list down in the comments below. Again, all links, videos, discount codes are down in the description. Now, if you guys want to see any of those full reviews, they're there. But if you want to see my top 10 case list, the best 10 cases that you can buy for the iPhone 17 Pro Max, I'm going to leave that video right here.